This Stansport compact kids picnic table is here for all your backyard parties, playdates, and trips to the park this year. Thanks to the unique design of this table, setting up and tearing down has never been easier. While similar-looking competitor tables may fold flat, only this Stansport table folds compact enough to fit inside the trunk of a car. To set up, lay on a flat surface with the tabletop facing the ground. Pull the seats away from the center so the bench tops are laying flat on the ground as well. Pull the leg support bars away from the center until they lock into place vertically. With the help of a second person, simultaneously extend the legs vertically on both sides until the locking buttons clip into place. Turn the table right side up and lock the frame support rings into place. The 33.3-inch by 19.7-inch tabletop makes this table perfect for a group of kids to gather around. Heavy-duty HDPE construction assures that it is built to last, and durable powder-coated steel folding legs with locking rings keeps your table upright and secure. Each bench has a weight limit of 150 pounds, and the tabletop also has a weight capacity of 150 pounds. Whether you're having a picnic, camping, throwing a family barbecue, or more, this Stansport Compact Kids Picnic Table is the perfect accessory for enjoying time outdoors.